Ahoy there once again, and welcome back to Suffer and Sci-Fi's channel. Today we have the Jurassic World Chaos Theory Danger Pack HYPSILOPHODON. Alright guys, I've never heard of this dinosaur before, but when I look it up, apparently it does exist, but it seems like Mattel exaggerated this thing. They added some horn feathers that it doesn't even show when you look it up. There's no feathers. This is like really exaggerated. It is a feathered dinosaur, but it's way too much, and it's supposed to be a smaller one too. So yeah, it is found in the early Cretaceous of England long ago, it says. So we already did this Farlow Weakness, and this we're doing it today, and we already also did this a couple months ago, the Dimetrodon, and this will be probably in the next few days, the Gumecia. Also this one, I've never heard of it. Dimetrodon, yes, I've heard of it since I was a little boy long ago. I've known this dinosaur long ago, but yeah, this three, no. Just today. Just this year, actually. So anyways, it has the T-Rex symbol. I don't know what to compare it from, so I just grabbed the Chaos Theory Pyroraptor and the Dominion Pyroraptor. So this one came with the Kayla Watts long ago. It came with some accessories. Here's the DNA scan. Since Pyroraptor came with it came out with a Dominion timeline. This one is also the Pyroraptor from the Chaos Theory. It has a feature, you can move it up and down. It has battle scars right there. Okay guys, better. Has a sharper teeth. This one, the Dominion, not really much. It has no features, it doesn't move up and down. It only goes left and right. Has also small feathers. Look at the arms compared to this one, it looks better. Longer, bigger feathers. Okay guys, this is better. Has battle scars as well. This one doesn't have any battle scars yet. Alright, right there in its rib cage too. Here's the DNA scan. There you go. There's more battle damage right there on its tail as well. Different feather style. Yeah, look at the tail, completely different. I didn't grab the Hammond Collection Pyroraptor, and today it's a rainy day outside. Just came inside to do it here. Okay, so it kind of looks like a Pyroraptor. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it. We'll check it out. Doesn't have a variant yet. I have another one downstairs of these. I'm actually selling it, but yeah, you can go check the Mercari. I don't know if you guys heard of Mercari. I'm selling one of the HYPSILOPHODONs over there. Whoops. Don't want to damage this thing. Okay. Okay. So let's check it out. Uh-oh. Oh, what? The leg is... well. So in the next few days, I'm going to start making another hybrid. Another custom hybrid. Okay, let's check it. It has a beak, so obviously it's not a carnivore. Definitely not. This is a herbivore. I can tell it has 5 fingers. Feathered elbow. Nice dew claw right there. The tail also pretty much feathered. Like a Pyroraptor, but different style. It has a scratch right there, which is cool. I like that. They get battle damage. That's pretty cool. It has a horned feather. It's kind of weird. Mattel really exaggerated this thing, even the size. So let's check the DNA scan for you guys. There you go. You can pause that. So the next rebirth timeline, they're gonna go back to the DNA scan in the foot again. They're gonna bring it back there. I saw it the other day at Toy Expo, New York. There's like plenty of new rebirth toys, even Godzilla stuff, Godzilla X Kong, the Monsterverse. They're not gonna stop, I guess. But yeah, pretty cool stuff. So yeah, there you have it. Hopefully we get another variant next year for this HYPSILOPHODON. It has an odd name as well. Okay guys, yeah. Oh, there you go. Has battle scars on the neck as well. Right there. So yeah, there you have it for today. I'd like to say thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Let's see. Yep, definitely no. Just going up and down. The next video we might be doing another dino reveal. Alright guys. What is today? Today is Wednesday, maybe Friday or Saturday. Okay, guys, have a good day and keep warm. Thank you so much. Bye.